Hi, my name is Piotr Zamora. I am originally from Poland. I am founder, owner, president of the VIP Inc. VIP PDR Tools, it's a small tool company. We specialize on paintless dent removal tools and mostly on knockdowns, tips. I started the company in 2016, but before that I was a master body technician for 15 years and I am paintless dent removal technician for 18 years. I create my own tools because I wasn't happy with the tools I was buying. Some of them, of course, great tools, but some of them I had the feeling I need something more. Then I create few of my tools for my friends, and that was like a kind of success for me because everybody was talking how great they are, and I decided to sell. Most important for me was the quality of the tool, quality of the work, how they affected the paint, the metal, everything. It's highly polished. Everything what I made is made in the United States. I design them, I make prototypes, testing them. Later I just got the connection with the machine shops. I love to make everything in the States because I can go to the shop, I can have my hands on it, check everything, check the quality, check the material. I do pretty much everything by myself or with my family, kids and wife. I assembling my tools, I do the picture, I do the shipping, my kids help me with the assembling some of the tools, and pretty much it's like a one-man show with the family help. My tools are available on my website, vippdrtools.com. I ship worldwide. Also, they are available in the stores in US, in Europe, in Australia, and also in Japan. People tell me they work a little bit cleaner, faster, and they can make more money. I want for my customers to love my tools.